Hi all, this is Rahul. Welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Tool. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click on notification bell. So today's our topic is how to run Postman script from Jenkins. So inside this, we will learn three things. How to create Postman job in Jenkins. After that, we'll learn how to configure Jenkins job, and later we'll learn how to run Postman job from Jenkins. Now, while running Postman job in Jenkins, most of the people face this issue, like NEWMAN is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So I have one trick, like whatever collection you have exported from Postman, so you can copy all the collection in this path, right? So this is my username, but for yours you'll get your username and the remaining path will be same. So I will show you how to copy from our exported location to the this location. So don't worry. Now I'll be using this NEWMAN commands. So you should know how to run Postman collection from command line. If you don't know, just go through the part 13 video where I have explained how to run from the command line, right? Now let me open Postman. So in part 13 session, I have told you like I have exported this collection along with this environment in one folder which I have in desktop, you can see here, and since I was using the test data, so that is why I have pasted here. So this is my test data, this is the environment which I have exported from here, this one, and this is my Postman collection, right, which I have exported, this one API, right? Now what I have told you, like I'll be copying all the Postman collection inside this path, right? So let me copy this path, not path, let me copy this folder or the files. Now we need to go to that path, go to C, users, your username, go to app data, go to roaming and go to npm. So inside this just paste it. So all the three files you have here, right? Now we need to open Jenkins. So let me open Chrome browser. So I'll be opening in incognito mode. Now localhost. So I am using 8080 to open my Jenkins. So my username and password. Click on sign in. Now I'll be creating one job here. So just click on create new job and enter any name. So I will be giving Postman API. Right? Now click freestyle project. Now click on OK. Now this is the second topic, right? How to configure Jenkins job. So for that we need to go source code management. Just click here. Now you'll find here one build. So if you'll click in this arrow, you'll find execute cell, execute Windows patch command. So as we are running this command in Windows, so we need to click in this, right? If you are running in Mac or what, so you can click in execute cell. So just click here. Now we need to write Windows command here, right? So where I have pasted all the files, so in this path, right? Not here. So in this path I have pasted all our collection files, right? So we need to copy this and we need to go not here, here, right? Now we need to give cd and just paste it. So what this command will do, so it will point to this directory to this location, right? So our all the files, these three files are there in this location, right? So it will point in this location only, right? Now we need to write NEWMAN commands. So this command I have already told you in part 13 video, right? So we'll copy this one and we'll paste it. right? Now just save it, apply and save it. Now we will click on build now. So just click on this and click on console output. So you can see here it is working fine, right? 2G the one created, but it is coming as yeah, in Unicode, right? So we need to write one thing. So just click on back your project, click on configure. So we need to add something here. Hyphen disable Unicode. So you will find all the Unicode is not will not be there after this. So just apply it and save it. And just again click on build now. So this is our current build. So just click here, click on console output. So you can see here Unicode is not there, right? So it is executed. You can see all the details, right? Iteration, request, test script, prerequisite script, and assertion, right? You can see even the post. This is post request. You can see even the URL and all the status, like 2G the one created, size, and this is the time which took, right? So I hope you understood all the concept which I have explained in this session. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on notification bell. Thank you and take care.